Salutations, fellow classmates. We're here today at the Charlotte Harbor, which is an estuary because of all the salt water coming from the Gulf of Mexico. It comes, mixes with the fresh water, and creates a nice living space. We're going to find a whole bunch of creatures today that live here so I can educate you more on our great environment. Alright, as I was looking for fauna, which are creatures in an estuary, I did locate awesome. A bird sunbathing, it looks like. Also, I have found some raccoon tracks, which I hear is a bad idea to follow, but I'm doing it for science, so it can't be that bad. This is the end of the tracks. Thankfully, I did not find a nest of angry raccoons. Instead, I found a mud hole where they were digging for food. Nature is wonderful. Our creature hunting continues. I have found a puddle with a bunch of fish in it that I'm sure you all are very interested in seeing. It is just loaded. Fishy. Nature is beautiful. The next creature I have found is a lizard or a baby alligator. I can't tell. Oh. That's disgusting. Right now the Charlotte Harbor is experiencing low tide. If it was high tide, it would be like 10 feet up there. But I did just find another creature. I really don't want to pick it up. I really hope it's not alive. Ugh. A little crab. Delicious. You're welcome, nature. Actually, while I'm still here, I did just find a large rock covered in a ton of mussels. If you're into that, more nature. Coming back to you live. We've got some more creatures. We've got a horseshoe crab, it looks like. A fiddler crab, which is disgusting, but... and a mollusk with the little hairs still attached to... I don't know, attached to rocks or whatever it wants to attach to. We've also got a shotgun shell, which is fun to go to nature. Now there are some factors that allow creatures to live here and factors that wouldn't allow them. The biotic factors that limit them would be the predators, the overlapping each other, and the fight for space. Where the abiotic factors could be temperature, it could be the salt level, or sunlight. Live. There goes my shot. You saw him though. Dang it. Alright, now that the creatures have all been located, we have the next group, which is called the flora, which is basically just the plants of the estuary. Right here, I've got some seaweed I found. I've also got sea grass, which is dead, and boatloads of algae all over these rocks. Alright, the final plant or flora I'm going to be talking about is the mangrove. The mangrove here is a special plant. It's an indicator species because it lives in an estuary, which is, you know, made of salt water and fresh water. You can't just find these anywhere, and they're super valuable with all their roots. They create a lot of homes for creatures. They're also very protected. I'm not sure if this is legal, but this is a red mangrove is what it's called because it has a pointed leaf and a green bottom. The black mangrove would have a pointed leaf but has a white bottom, and the white mangrove would have a more rounded leaf. These are, you know, as I said, super protected, and we should do our best, you know, just to either, if you see any trash or anything, just clean it up. Very, very useful things, and it's a shame that they get cut down so often. But moving on. What's up, guys? This is more of a bonus clip. I got one more creature to show you. Unfortunately, it happens to be down there. It's a little bit of a long climb, but it's for science. Bonus clip, me underneath a bridge at 6 o'clock in the morning to show you guys some barnacles. Very important creatures. I don't know for what, but they're probably important. It's a long climb back up.